This is the easiest and most effective strategy to make money as an artist and achieve rapid growth in your music career. You don't need a huge fan base to start earning as a musician or producer. All you need is a solid strategy to get started and see results. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process to transform your music career into a business and earn a living based on your ability to grow. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Here are the simple steps you can take to start making money as an artist. 1. Music distribution. The first step is to get your music onto platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube using a distribution service like Distrokid. Distrokid is an excellent option for beginners because it distributes your songs to over 150 stores. You retain 100% of your royalties. You can upload unlimited tracks for 1 year at an affordable cost. However, note that Distrokid has its pros and cons. Always read their terms of service before signing up. If you're interested in joining Distrokid, I'll leave a link in the description. By signing up through this link, you'll get 7% off. 2. Join playlist networks or campaigns. Playlisting is one of the most effective ways to boost streams and increase revenue as a music artist. Running a playlist promotion is a great investment in your music business. It helps boost your streams and, in turn, your royalties. Building your own playlist network or becoming a playlist curator is even more profitable. As an artist, owning your playlist can reduce your cost per stream. Create an additional revenue stream when other artists pay to have their songs placed in your playlist. If you want to learn how to become a playlist curator and start making money from your playlist, check the description of this video. I've included a course that will guide you with step-by-step video tutorials. 3. Create viral videos and share them on TikTok. Making engaging videos and posting them on TikTok, Meta, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube is one of the most effective ways to get your music in front of potential fans. Consistency is key. Post your videos regularly and watch your music grow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in my next video.